Well, Bob, they picked the perfect night for the tree lighting. The
Yeah,
weather
just
was
so
perfect.
happened to work out perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect night tonight, and a lot of folks show. I think it was one of the busier times. I've been there like 8 years, I think, going on.
That's
and
great.
There was over a couple of thousand at least
Wow.
that I saw, and they all had a great time out there, and I did too. Here's what's
We could
happening.
tell.
Yes, Van-Ways a webcam showing clear skies all day today. Comfortable out there too. The humidity staying so comfortable, and it will stay that way tomorrow. Maybe a little bit more moisture coming back into play on Sunday as winds switch more to the southeast. There's the sunset, beautiful one it was too. I'm from the Van-Ways a webcam, and as far as the photos go, a lot sent in. This one from Sharky's, right there by the Venice Pier, and Janet Roop sending this photo in just as the sun was dropping below the horizon. And the satellite and radar picture showing not many clouds around today, but notice some high clouds out here in the Gulf of Mexico. These are blow-offs. What that means is some upper-level winds that are strong, say at 125 miles an hour, blowing the tops of the storms off and carrying them toward the east. No real rain associated with these, but they may move across our skies tomorrow. It's not going to be enough to block the sun out, so you should still see mostly sunny skies throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, maybe a few more clouds coming in from the east as a result of the southeasterly wind flow, which will return. I have to keep an eye on this area. This is showing lots of clouds, lots of rainfall now throughout Texas, spreading over to Louisiana. Good news is that we need the rain over the southeast, and they're going to get it. We are also going to see a low pressure area develop over the southern plain states, and which will bring a cold front. The strongest one of the season will move in. 62 degrees right now. The dew point is at 41 and winds out of the northeast at 8. The pressure 30-16. That is high. That continues to rise at this hour. High pressure usually means fair skies, and that's what we have. 79 degrees the high today, and the average 76. 88 the record set back in 1991, and the low this morning was 60. We'll be pretty close to those numbers tomorrow. And no rainfall to report today and for the month so far. Starting off dry in December here. November, one of the driest months on record. Now, temperatures across the state and across our area, I should say. Braden at 62. Palm Air 62. The Meadows the same. 63 in Osprey and Siesta Key. Right there at 63. A little bit warmer in Inglewood and Rotunda. 65 Port Charlotte and 64 now in Northport. And it looks as though we will see another warm night tomorrow night. And temperatures staying pretty comfortable. 80 degrees, not out of the question throughout the day tomorrow. Maybe in the upper 70s near the beaches. Plenty of sunshine, though, right on in through the day. A few high clouds streaming on by, as I mentioned, associated with this system here, which continues for the most part to override this high-pressure ridge, which is now getting bumped up a little bit off toward the east. The high pressure has been dominating our weather. Will still do so, though, right through Saturday, Sunday, and much of Monday. And then that high pressure gives way to a frontal system and storm system, which brings a 60% chance for rain on Tuesday, and some of that rain could be moderate to heavy at times. 34 in Detroit now, 35 in Chicago, 28 in Salt Lake City, Denver, 20. So yes, winter is starting to move in a little ahead of schedule now, and 46 in Oklahoma City and 38. Look at that in Macon and Atlanta now down to a cool 44 degrees. So the cold air is there. It's not going to move in over the weekend, but it will get here by around Thursday of next week. This high pressure gets shifted off to the east. The frontal system to the south fades away. Here comes the first round of moisture kind of overriding to the northeast of us, and then similar conditions expected on Sunday and Monday with the rain moving in on Tuesday. Northeasterly winds, a bit of a chop out there. Seas running 2 to 4 feet, and the water temperature now at 70 degrees, 77 for the area beaches. Tides on your screen upcoming 1 o'clock in the morning. It's a high tide. Low tide will be at 9:37 tomorrow morning. Sunrise will be at 7:05 tonight. Mostly fair, seasonal, 56 for inland areas, right around 60 near the coast, and the extended forecast does call for a gorgeous weekend with temperatures in the low 80s all the way through Monday. But then get your jackets and sweaters. You may need them by Friday of next week.